when I put them in, I said, you know what, these things are not gonna move, it's fine. First drive, first time I took it out, they moved all the way from the left side all the way to the table right here. Got a big mess going on here. So I had these in storage for a minute, finally decided to get them out. These came off a 2023 Jayco Greyhawk. Mine is a 2004 Jayco Greyhawk. These have seen better days. Got to take these to the dump. Just took those out last night. My only issue right here is mounting. Previously I had put a little futon in here, cheap $200 Amazon futon. Didn't look good, didn't feel good, so took that out, put the old ones back in. Now it's time to put the brand new ones in here and see how those look. It just had 2 screws here, 2 on that side. Surprisingly nothing on the front. So I don't think these were the OEM seats. These had to be some aftermarket seats put in here, because it only had 2 brackets there, 2 brackets there, and everything else here was connected to the armrest, center console, and got all that out. All right, let's start by getting all the dust off of these. All right, so I just got to see how these things are mounted underneath. It looks like we have a lot more dust in here. So these things were in storage for about a year. That's why we have so much dust. These things came out of, like I said, a 2023, I believe, Jayco Greyhawk. And the person selling them just wanted more room in their rig, so they just wanted to get rid of them. And this set actually still had the tag on it from the manufacturer of this sofa set. That's how new they were. So these brackets were also included, and I just don't remember how they went. Let's go look inside. Okay, so I'm assuming on this lip right here, yeah, I don't think it was out like that. But that would probably be the only way to mount it. There's some mounting points right here. Maybe, but I don't think so. This doesn't seem right. Shouldn't be sticking out. Maybe like this. And it just held the seats from sliding this way. Okay, so let's say this is a floor right here. Maybe that mounted under that. No, because it would be hitting right here. So that's not it. Maybe right here, back here. Maybe up here like that. But then to mount and dismount, there'd be no way to get back here for the screws. So I don't think this is how you mount it. All right, so we have another issue, and that's clearance. So right here, clearance from here to here, or right here, the end of this foot is 26 inches. 25. And clearance for my door is 24 inches right there. Not even an inch. Maybe about half an inch from being able to clear the door right here. I can probably force my way in, but I might mess something up right here. And I definitely don't want to do that. I know I did that in the uninstall when I took these out, pulling it out the other RV. Hopefully I don't do that to these, so let's see what we do here. All right, we got these things in, and I hope they fit. We have a little bit of a clearance issue right here, but I hope installing this right here, this center console, We'll lift this up a little bit and get it off the floor. So with trial and error, I finally got these things in, and they actually look pretty good. So the issue I was having is there's this little lip right here that's supposed to fall off of the slide out, this piece right here, which it was doing, but it was causing the feet down here not to be level. So down here we have, I have no light. Let me see if I can turn this light on. We have 4 feet down here. See that? Well, we have more than 4 feet. There's 2 right here that are actually hanging off. And then right behind that, let's see if we can get that there. There's another foot right here. That one right there that's sitting on the piece of wood. This one right here, sitting on this piece of wood here. I had to put this block of wood all the way across. And then back there, what I had to do is put another block of wood, but I'll show you that in a second. What was happening is when I put this, it leveled it out. Right. It ended up leveling, but I was still getting a ton of movement. I just took this thing down the street, and when I came to the back here, the seat was all the way forward. So that was the issue I was having. The sofa's just moving all over the place, especially since they're super light. When I put them in, I said, you know what, these things are not gonna move, it's fine. First time I took it out, they moved all the way from the left side all the way to the table right here. It was pretty funny. So what I had to do was make those little brackets in the back. I'm gonna show you that right now. I had to make these brackets right here, and all this did was have the little foot sit right in there. Put this in, screwed these down, had those little feet sit right in here. So now when the rig is moving, the RV's driving, it's not vibrating. Well, it's vibrating, but the vibration is not moving the seats, because the seats are locked in right here. So when we roll the slide out, the feet are caught in here, so it's not gonna move. So we have that issue taken care of. I had to put another little piece of plywood over there so those feet can sit on there also. And it's pretty sturdy. Before I did that, this whole thing was moving around. It was just really wobbly, and just because it was not level. So I have this thing parked at my house right now, and I don't know if I'd be able to run the slide out, but I'm gonna try to run the slide out. This is my first test of running the slide out. Let's see if this is actually gonna work. Cross my fingers here. I don't know what that was. Let me catch it over here. Are we hitting anything? Nope, we're good. Yeah, give me a second. Let me keep going here. Uh-oh. We caught on something. We caught on something. We caught on something. That's no good. I don't know what that was. What that sound was. Go ahead. Yes. Okay, I'll be right there. Okay, give me a second. Yeah, okay, I don't care about that. Just do whatever. I'm trying to figure this out. Thank you. It's moving. It's moving. Get this out the way here. Looks pretty good. Pop these things out. Slide. We're gonna go back in. Boom. All the way in. Nice. So overall, these seats were a really nice addition. So if you have an older rig and really can't figure out how to put these seats in the right way, Well, this is kind of a way I kind of just rigged it up. I wouldn't say this is technically the right way of doing it, but I made it work. The brackets that came with these seats didn't work. They were for a newer RV, so it just didn't work. So this is the way I put my seats in, and that's pretty much it. Just a nice little upgrade. Also threw this TV in here, so I tried to clean it with all-purpose cleaner, and I might have made it worse. Got to come back and hit that again. But besides that, we're all good to go.